Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum, a compact yet powerful cleaning solution designed for your home and car. Lightweight, portable, and built to tackle a variety of messes, this model promises high suction power and ultimate convenience with its cordless design. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean is equipped with a 12-volt max lithium-ion battery, offering solid suction power, designed to clean up everyday debris without the hassle of cords. Whether you're tackling dust on your kitchen counters or crumbs in your car, the convenience of cordless operation makes it an ideal tool for quick, on-the-go cleanups. It's also quite lightweight, which means you won't tire out during extended cleaning sessions. One feature that stands out is the Easy View Dirt Bowl, which is translucent and bagless. This not only lets you see when it's time to empty it, but also ensures you don't have to touch the dirt when disposing of debris. Emptying is simple and mess-free, which is a plus if you're cleaning up pet hair or anything that might stick to surfaces. Cleaning is even more straightforward with its washable dirt bowl and filter, both of which can be cleaned directly in the sink. A practical touch that makes maintenance easier and more hygienic. When it comes to attachments, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster doesn't disappoint. The pull-out crevice tool is perfect for getting into those tight, hard-to-reach spaces like between couch cushions or on top of shelves, while the flip-up brush adds versatility for upholstery and dusting. These features ensure that you can tackle a variety of surfaces and messes with ease, making this vacuum more than just a quick grab-and-go cleaner. In real-world testing, the dustbuster performs admirably for light cleanups around the house and in your vehicle. It's great for clearing dust and debris off hard floors and countertops, and it easily handles pet hair and crumbs. However, its performance on larger messes or deep carpet cleaning may leave you wishing for something with a bit more power. It excels on furniture and in the car, but on plush carpets or thick rugs, the suction isn't as strong as some larger vacuums. The battery life is decent, lasting around 20 to 30 minutes on a full charge depending on the intensity of use. But if you're tackling bigger tasks, you might find yourself needing to recharge more often. One thing to note is the noise level. While it's not excessively loud, the motor does produce a noticeable hum, but it's nothing that should be off-putting for most users. The lightweight design is definitely one of its best qualities, making it easy to maneuver and store away. It won't take up much space in your closet or trunk, which is ideal for those who are looking for a compact vacuum that doesn't sacrifice convenience. On the flip side, there are some things that might be a deal breaker for certain users. While the suction power is strong enough for most everyday cleaning tasks, it falls short when it comes to more demanding jobs. If you need a vacuum for heavy-duty carpet cleaning or want to clean larger areas without interruption, the dustbuster may not be your best bet. Additionally, if you're looking for a model with longer battery life, you might need to look elsewhere, as the dustbuster only offers around 20 to 30 minutes of runtime. In terms of value for money, this vacuum provides solid performance, especially when considering its portability and versatility for quick cleanups. At its price point, it's a practical investment for those who need a secondary vacuum for quick jobs or smaller spaces. It's not designed to replace your full-size vacuum, but it definitely serves its purpose well for lighter cleaning tasks. For users with small apartments, car owners, or those who need something easy to grab for messes around the house, the dustbuster is a solid choice. However, if you're after a vacuum for large homes, deep carpet cleaning, or extended runtime, you may want to consider other models. When comparing it to alternatives, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster holds its ground against other cordless handheld vacuums in its category. Competing models like the Shark Wand Vac or Dyson's handheld options may offer slightly more suction power or longer battery life, but they also come at a higher price. The dustbuster sits comfortably in the middle ground, providing a balanced mix of affordability and reliable performance. For quick cleanups and lighter messes, it does a great job. But if you need heavy-duty suction for more persistent dirt or larger areas, you may want to explore more robust alternatives. Looking at the build quality, it's clear that the dustbuster is designed for practical, everyday use. The plastic construction feels sturdy enough for a handheld vacuum, and the easy-to-remove parts make maintenance simple. While it's not the most premium-feeling vacuum, the materials hold up well with regular use. The crevice tool and flip-up brush are also well built, adding value to the overall package. As for long-term maintenance, the washable filter and dirt bowl mean you won't be spending too much on replacement parts, keeping running costs low. Customer support for BLACK+DECKER is generally well regarded, with responsive service and a good warranty policy. While this vacuum doesn't often require much customer interaction, knowing that support is readily available adds peace of mind. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum is a great choice for users looking for a compact, versatile vacuum that's easy to store and quick to grab for smaller messes. Its performance shines in cars, on upholstery, and in smaller living spaces, but it may not be the right fit for larger homes or more demanding cleaning tasks. If you're after something for light, everyday cleaning, this vacuum is a solid performer. However, if you need more power or longer battery life for deep cleaning, you might want to consider other options. Thanks for watching. The link to get the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster can be found in the comments box below. If you've already tried it, let us know your thoughts or ask any questions you might have. Until next time, keep your space clean and your reviews honest. Goodbye.